Whenever I do LinkedIn workshops, the $15 million question that I always get is, should I be using creator mode? To which I respond, it depends. So today I'm going to walk you through some scenarios and help you to understand, is creator mode for you or should you hold off for a few months? So right now we're on the home page. We're going to click onto the face, and that's going to take you directly inside of the LinkedIn profile. You are going to scroll down a little bit. Right below your analytics, you'll see a resource page. This is where you have creator mode on or off. So let me tell you some benefits first. The benefit of creator mode is that you can see access, and you're first to access things like LinkedIn Live, newsletter, audio events. When it's typically we do beta first. I'm in these beta groups, so we do beta first, and then they roll it out to everyone else. So you want to understand, is this really worth it for me? What I typically tell clients, and I tell their teammates, if you don't have under 3,000 connections, don't bother having creator mode on, because what will happen when you have creator mode on, and you may not see it right now, but this button, if you came to my page, it would only say follow. So your only goal, if you have under 3,000 connections, your only goal is to start to grow your network. Then you can turn creator mode on, right? So let me just toggle this so you can see the difference. So when you have creator mode on, like I mentioned before, it allows you to see what tools you have access to. Most people at this point, if you've done at least one video, you do have LinkedIn Live, so you don't need it on to understand that. You'll have audio events. Like I mentioned, this is still in beta mode. I'm in a beta group, so I get these tools first. And then, of course, by now, everyone has newsletters. So you can toggle it to turn it off. And then we can turn it, it's off right now, and then we can toggle it, and we're going to turn it back on, and I'm going to show you what appears. So once we turn it back on, now you're going to go through the motions of how should we set up our creator mode, right? Like I mentioned, I'm going to keep the hashtags, but you can select up to 5 hashtags that you typically focus on, your subject matter, and it is searchable on the LinkedIn platform. It will then show you all the tools that you have. You press done, and your creator mode is activated. As always, go ahead and subscribe to me. If you have a question about creator mode, if it's right for you, I'm happy to look at your profile and give you a yes or no on that. But subscribe, comment, and share this with someone who could benefit from it. I'm Deborah Ashley, the LinkedIn Black Belt, and until the next time, I'll see you soon.